On the fourth day of Christmas, Ferrante gave to me level 115. Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. C. Ferrante, and today I'll be taking a look at level 115, also known as Frozen Dream. Survival difficulty Class 3. Unsafe, unsecure, low entity count. Level 115 is the 114th level in the Backrooms, discovered on the 8th of August 2017. Description: Level 115 resembles an indoor skiing resort. Its hallways twist and turn for what seems like forever, and the vents on the sides of the walls blow out chilly air, which will either be colder or warmer depending on your entrance. Sometimes it will snow frozen almond water. However, it is greatly advised not to drink this unfiltered. Inside this level, it will reach -10 degrees Celsius and below, making this level very difficult to settle in. Chair lifts occupy a large majority of this level and are mostly functional. Facelings are the main entity of this level and are completely harmless if left undisturbed. These facelings can be seen with warm clothing and attempting to ski. Shops adorn the halls with a faceling shopkeeper who can sell you food and almond water for free. Occasionally, skin stealers and hounds can be spotted wandering around the level. Additional content: insulated blankets can be found randomly throughout the level. It is best advised to go for these as they can help you keeping warm. Matches can be found in the corners of the level and are great being paired with the uncommonly found insulated blankets. Materials can also be found here, such as wood, metal, pins, wires, etc. This level gives you a feeling of nostalgia, but it is greatly advised to ignore it. Ignore anything that seems nostalgic, as well as windows. Colonies and outposts. Environmental Research Team. The Environmental Research Team partakes in the study of the environments of many different levels in the Backrooms. Entrances and exits. Entrances. To enter level 115, you must no-clip through water, and there is a chance you will end up in this level. The colder the water, the better your chances are. However, it will make the level colder depending on how cold the water you no-clipped in was. Exits. To exit level 115, you must ask a faceling at the main desk located in the main lobby. You will be told to go to the ski lifts.